Hello everyone. Judge Rata Mokgatleng has granted the defense lawyers representing the 5 men accused of killing soccer star Senzo Meyiwa a full day to consult with their clients. This is after they told the Pretoria High Court on Wednesday that they were not timeously provided with a statement of the witness who was expected to take the stand in the morning. Mokgatleng said if the court allowed proceedings to continue, it will be committing an irregular which will result in a failure of justice. Musika Ukhalela, Sibiya, Bongani Sandison Tanzi, Tobisim Prince Mncube, Mthokozisi Maphisa and Fisokuhlenkani Tuli are accused of killing the Bafana Bafana and Orlando Pirates football star. When proceedings started on Wednesday, State Prosecutor George Baloyi informed the court that the next witness is Constable Zungu. Advocate Zandile Msholo, representing Tuli, said the statement of witness was not furnished to the defense before the trial started. She said, "We were furnished with the statement last night and we have not been given hard copies. We have not consulted with our clients regarding the statement." The other defense team said they were in a similar situation. Advocate Charles Mnisi said he didn't know about the existence of the statement. He said Baloyi had told him in the morning he had sent him the statement through WhatsApp and said, "I don't know whether the witness the state intends to call now is the witness whose statement he furnished, but if that is the case, that's a very serious irregularity." Advocate Ngumalo, representing Maphisa, said he received the typed version this morning when he arrived in court. Baloyi said the aim was not to catch the defense unaware. He said the state received a copy from investigating team yesterday and immediately sent it to the defense. Judge Rata said the critical point was that the defense must be provided with the information timelessly. The defense said they would need a day to consult and prepare their defense. Judge Rata said the accused are entitled to adequate notification of documents supporting the case of the state and said if we proceed today, it will be an infringement of the accused's rights in terms of Section 35 of the Constitution. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.